Submit. Oton, nothing else. Why should uncle be sending you food, be sending you this one? Ah, for what? Why? So that is that. Now we move to question 6. We are read. Bomb. It's one syllable. Bomb. Run what? No, that is two syllable. Ah. What's the second syllable? The first syllable there is what? Second one is what? Equals to what? Bingo. Tètè pronounce what you see o. Kó má jẹgba lórí ẹ. Tètè kì nìyẹn. So when you see bomb, what do you do with bomb? You will pick bomb up. When you see bomb like this, you will run away for your life. You don't even near there because it can blow at any time. That's why you must not wait wherever they see. Immediately before you say pua. So it is
fast.
very fast. So you run it. That's why they say run. Run fast away. Don't near that place. Yeah, next thing, no story. Oh yeah, this one now. Yeah. What is the subject? Civic. Pronounce it. What is the? How many syllables here? 2. How is it 2? Show me how is 2.
Not 2.
Oh yeah, cut it. You're supposed to use your eyes to be cutting it.
Okay.
Oh yeah. If you don't know how to use your eye, use your pencil to cut it fast. Hello, Jeremiah.
True.
I say cut it. Cut that thing with syllable. Onda. Èwo ni first syllable? This one that you called everything together, you say you have cut it.
I put it like this.
You see that you are a liar. When I told you that a consonant and a vowel gives us a syllable, a consonant and a vowel gives us a syllable. Now look at it.
Mommy.
C-U-L.
All these
Is this not consonant? Vowel. Is it not consonant? Plus this. You know that this one is consonant, two consonant. We share it. This one will come here. So we have C-U-L. One syllable. Then T-U. U here is a word. It's a vowel. Then T is a word. That is T plus O equals to
like 19.
Another syllable. Then plus this one R-R-L equals to another syllable. You want equal to nonsense. When I told you that a consonant and a vowel, a consonant and a vowel will give you a syllable. Oh yeah, pronounce it now.
Tomorrow.
Cultura. A consonant and a vowel will give you a syllable. A consonant and a vowel. Oh yeah, cultural what? Yeah, number one. Cut that vowel. Cut that word into syllable. That first word, because I don't know what to call it. Cut it into syllable. Come on, put it pronounce.